Hi friends, today's topic is the Zahlen, that is the counting numbers. We'll learn numbers from 1 to 20 today. After watching this video, you'll be able to count and recognize numbers in German language. It is very important to learn about numbers because then only you can able to talk about your age, date of birth, schedule, etc. Let's start it. First of all, we'll start from 0. Null. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Stay tuned for the next video. Please like my channel, subscribe it and share it with your friends.